Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Welcome back on this Monday. The wind is the star of the show today. We have a wind advisory out until 8 o'clock tonight. Gusts expected to tiptoe up to about 45 miles per hour as the wind is driven in from the southwest. Current sustained wind speeds are between 10 and 25 miles per hour in West Michigan. Currently at 12 in Allegan, 23 in Holland, 24 miles per hour in Grand Rapids, and cruising through at 23 in Fremont. When you account for the gusts, those are widely ranging between about 30 and 40 miles per hour. 30 in Ionia, 38 miles per hour in Grand Rapids, and now gusting up to 26 as you approach the lakeshore in South Haven. So a couple of things to keep in mind for today. If you have any loose objects around the house that could blow around, best to gather those up, maybe put them in the garage today, as we are going to experience those gusts up to about 45 miles per hour this afternoon. Could have a few areas of some blowing and drifting snow and poor visibility. Not really a huge concern since we did have some melting over the weekend, and there's kind of that harder cap that's developing on some of the snow. But again, just make sure that you're being careful behind the wheel today. Give larger vehicles especially some extra space, as they could be jostled around some by the wind. Here's a look at wind gust futurecast out as we proceed through this afternoon. Again, it looks like gusts will widely be between 40 and 45 miles per hour in West Michigan, maybe even a touch stronger as you move to inland locations, close to 50 in Hastings. And then as we go through this evening, it looks like the wind will start to die down, and tomorrow will still be a little bit breezy. We could have gusts up to about 25 miles per hour, but not as big of a situation as what we have going on out there today. There's the flag flapping in the breeze right now in Holland, as you can see that we have a lot of ice cover there. And we'll also check things out in Grand Rapids right now, where you can find that we have mostly clear skies, but we should expect to have some more clouds cross in late in the day. Our current temperature is at the freezing point. We have a west-southwest wind sustained at 24 miles an hour. As we look at our current temperatures, well, it feels fairly decent out there, between about 30 and 35 degrees. However, the wind is making it feel quite a bit colder. Wind chill value of 19 in Grand Rapids, now 24 in Muskegon, and 15 is our wind chill value in Battle Creek. We'll expand the view looking at Storm Track Live. You can find that we have a system to our north and a cold front that's dragged on that, and it looks like that's going to continue to dive in from north to south, delivering a round of light snow that is going to be developing late this afternoon into the evening. We'll progress through time here on Futurecast as we pause the clock at 6 this evening. You can see that snow continuing to envelop West Michigan, and it looks like that'll continue on into early tomorrow morning in off and on fashion. Not really a whole lot of accumulation out of that, as most spots in West Michigan pick up about a half an inch to an inch of snow. Then as we go through tomorrow, it looks like we'll have a break as we approach the midday hours. Another system looks to clip through with a little bit of additional snow, especially northeast of Grand Rapids. And then it looks like we'll drag a couple of more snow showers our way into Wednesday morning, and accumulations with that should also be very light. Here's what we anticipate then in regards to snow totals. South of I-96, a trace to an inch, right around an inch or two for Grand Rapids. We could see as much as 2 to 4 inches approaching Big Rapids. Let's get a look at the 8-day forecast now. Temperatures comfortably in the 30s. Thursday looks like a winter, mostly sunny and a high in the mid-30s. Tracking a chance of a wintry mix next Sunday. George and Sue.
Scott, thanks.